The pandemic and the virus have like provided us with 30 different seemingly legitimate reasons to veer away from our fundamental purpose. It just has. I mean, it's, you know, you can get on social media and just talk about how you're in survival mode all the time, and there's just no way you can teach the way you want to teach, and you know, there's so much learning loss this year and all that stuff, and no one's gonna get mad at you, right? Because it's built in, man. It's baked. I mean, the pandemic has given us beautifully frosted cakes with tons of excuses to drop the ball, but the fact is we're open for business. The antidote to chaos is control, like just trying to figure out in the swirl of all that's going on, what is it we can latch onto, right? Because I'm telling you, average people from all industries are going to see the swirl, and they're going to use that as the built-in excuse to drop standards, drop quality, abandon their purpose, and we can't do that. We are the profession that creates all professions.